Alright, so now we've got the coordinate plane. I know a lot of you are asking for, well, what happens if we put this in the coordinate plane? What would happen? So you just got to read and do what they ask. So it says, on the set of axes below, sketch the points that are 5 units from the origin. So the origin is a point. So from the origin, that's giving me a condition from a point. And sketch the points that are 2 units from the line y equals 3. So that's from a line. That's my second condition. And I want to graph the line y equals 3. That means it's going to pass through the y-axis at 1, 2, 3. So it's going to pass through right here. So 3. So let me draw in that line. That's a horizontal line. Okay. And then I'm going to label with an X all points that satisfy both conditions. So I've got my conditions drawn. I'll call my origin O. And now I'm going to do each condition one at a time. And I guess I'll start with from a point. So let's do that one. So it's going to be a circle. So it's 5 units from the origin. So this is 3, so I got to go up 2 more. Right there is 5, and I got to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right there is 5. Okay? Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And 2, 4, and 5. And 2, 4, and 5. So let me trace in that circle. Okay. Radius of 5 with the center at the origin. Check that off. And now from a line. And how many units from the line? Oh, I'm 2 units from that line. And my locus will be 2 parallel lines. So I got to go 1, 2 above, right? Oops. Right there, and 2 below, right here. So let me draw in that locus. Right, there's a line, and then up here. Okay, and there's my other line. And those lines are y equals 5, because it passes through the y-axis at 5, and y equals 1, respectively. So I'm supposed to label with an X. And that's it. They didn't say state the coordinates. They didn't say tell me how many points. It's just make a diagram and then label with an X all points that satisfy both conditions. So there's a point that crosses my parallel line locus and my circle. Here's a point that crosses both. And then here's a point over here that crosses both. And I'm going to do a quick scan, and I don't see any other points that satisfy both conditions. So just for the sake of clarity, I'm going to say 3 points, but that's not required. Only those 3 X's are required.